Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: device model, iOS version, and available storage. Once done, sign into the Apple ID that previously purchased or backed up the old app. This enables redownloads. Make sure you have a current computer with iTunes that still supports app management or an alternative tool to manage. IPA files. This prevents wasted steps later, so pause and verify backups, authorizations, and storage before moving on. You now obtain the app. Check the purchase section first. If the app is gone, use a saved IPA or backup. Once you have the file, connect your device and use iTunes or a trusted sideloading tool to install it. Make sure the app version matches your device firmware. Older apps often require older system builds. If necessary, move the app to a device running the compatible iOS. Take your time here. A mismatched install will simply fail without clear errors. You finish by launching the app and testing core functions, menus, saves, and gameplay. If it fails to open or crashes, reinstall the IPA, reboot the device, and reset app permissions. Make sure background app refresh and network access are enabled. Once done, consider using a dedicated device running the older iOS or an emulator to avoid breaking your daily phone. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the issue on
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.